Las Vegas. This is NAB Show Live, produced by Broadcast Beat.
Hey guys, Nikki from Broadcast Beat here with Jesse Foster from Cobalt Digital. How's it going, Jesse? I'm going to move a little closer now.
Very good, thank you.
Good. How's NAB going?
Most successful NAB we've ever had. We're very pleased with the turnout and the conversations we're having with our customer base and new customers.
Good. Can you tell the viewers a little bit about Cobalt?
Sure. Cobalt was founded in 1997 by Gene Zimmerman. He got a project to build a little device for a large truck company, and they turned out they loved it, and they bought 1,400, and that was the genesis story of the company there. In 2006, we were a co-founder of the Open Gear platform. So then in addition to the little throwdown bricks that we started making, we moved into more advanced products in that terminal gear system, and currently are now the largest provider of products for that platform.
Wow, a long way from that 1,400
yeah, 1,400
right?
bricks. That's still a substantial order, and definitely up.
But now the world's yeah, exactly. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Now, what are you showing here at NAB this year?
We have quite a few advancements that since last year on the throwdown side of things, as little throwdown processors. We have SMPTE 2022-6 support, so we have uncompressed SDI over IP, which is all the rage. Those devices also have monitoring ports. You can go to HDMI, make sure that you have confidence that you're actually sending it, because it might not be the easiest thing to monitor at this point in time. Second generation of our fiber boxes as well, with the USB app that you can monitor signal presence and optical receive and transmit power and all that. Moving into the Open Gear side, we have a 24 square router. It's also available in a 12 by 12 and 12 by 4 configurations, and it's the only router in Open Gear. So it's a differentiator for us, and just another piece of the kit that we're bringing to that platform to allow customers to select an open architecture system like Open Gear and not get locked into proprietary platforms. And it just allows us and other partners in Open Gear to compete against these juggernauts, basically. So they all come together, and the router's really going to tie it all together technically and conceptually. Okay, so one of the highlights of the booth here and what we've developed recently for a key customer is the ability to frame accurately insert SCUDY 104 triggering messages to allow for downstream processes to be executed frame accurately. This is an enhancement for the industry. It can really affect workflows for commercial insertion and for recording perfectly timed video on demand content in a file for distribution. So that's what we're showing here is you can author the SCUDY 104 message using an XML file. We then frame accurately insert the SCUDY 104 message based on UTC time or incoming time code. The technology is called SCUDY 104-fast, so it's frame accurate SCUDY triggering. It then hits our H.264 encoder. The trigger starts the encode, and then an end trigger stops the encode, and it's put on a file server, and then it's disseminated to the video on demand customer via content distribution network. There's no editing needed. Traditionally, you would need to edit the beginning and the end of the clip, so you didn't have any extra content surrounding it. And this completely enhances that workflow. And beyond that, we have quite a bit of advancements on our fiber line. You see our CWDM muxing and demuxing system. This is all Open Gear based. These muxes are in Open Gear as well. And this 9433 is a really capable embedder de-embedder transceiver, and we could also send serial data and GPIO for remote camera, pan tilt zoom control, or server extension. It can really solve a lot of problems. And then we got just a whole new line of distribution amplifiers that are fiber optically enabled, so you get up to 8 copies per signal on either side, transmit and receive, and a gigabit Ethernet transceiver to allow you to have in-band management of your remote frames, so everything appears like it's on the same network, because it is, but it's up to 80 kilometers away.
Very cool stuff. Congratulations on the success of the show and the success of Cobalt. Excited for all of it. Thank you.
Great, thank you.
And give us a website that the viewers can come see at
cobaltdigital.com.
Is there a www in front of it?
Yes, there is, but I would have messed that up.
No, I'm just kidding. All right, thank you, Jesse. Thank you. This is Nikki with Broadcast Beat Magazine.